Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, so
Good
children,
afternoon,
good
ma'am.
afternoon. Good afternoon. So, children, we are learning now which chapter? Measurements. Measurements. And today we are going to do multiplication. So, children, we know we already studied multiplication with 2 digits. Yes or no? This year we learned multiplication with 2 digits. So, we will do the same method of multiplication, but only thing how to write the numbers. Like accordingly, we will arrange the numbers. Then we will start. Okay, we will start together. Okay, Zahra, did you get page number 69? Page
Yes,
number
ma'am.
69, question number.
No,
Yes,
miss.
yes, Akhil, can you read question page number 69, question number 13A?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, yes.
4 liter, 100
4
milliliters.
liters,
4
100
liters, 100 milliliters.
multiplied with 15. Okay.
Multiply with the 15.
Okay, so children, this is page number,
Ma'am,
all
which
those who
page?
joined, I am writing on the board, page number 69. We are doing children question number 13A. So children, listen carefully. One question I will explain how to write the numbers. Then you have to do alone because we already learned how chapter multiplication and multiply the numbers with the 2 digits. Here also we have the multiplier with 2 digits. So I will explain one question, then you have to do alone. Children, and please try to revise the multiplication tables also. Okay. So question number 13A. Children, it is 4 liter 100 ml. So, children, I will write L. So I will write first question. 4 liter 100 ml. All the children pay attention how to write the numbers only. We have to check carefully. Otherwise, everything is similar to normal number
We
that
can
multiplies.
write.
Okay. So page number 69,
Ma'am, we
question
can
number
write.
13A. We are doing. Wait. Now, L, children, this is L and ml. And children, you know 1 liter is equal to how many ml? 1 liter is equal to, in the last class we learned 1 liter is equal to 1 liter is equal to
100 ml.
1 liter is equal to, yes, tell me, 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. 1000
ml.
ml. So children, you have to be very careful. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So here how many zero here, children? 30. So here
30.
also always check in the ml part, that milli part, we should have 3 numbers. So here we will write 4 liter. How many liter here we can see that question? 4 liter. And ml, how many? 100. Now just multiply as usual. So children, I will do one question. Question number B, you will do alone. So listen carefully. So first one, Kashinath, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me to multiply this? First we will do multiply with ones place. So here it is 5. Okay. So first what we have to do? 5 into 0. What is 5 into 0? Any number multiplied with 0 is 0. Very good. Any number multiplied with 0 is 0. Again we have 5 into 0, 0. Again 5 into 1. Any number multiplied with 1 is a 5 only. 5 into 1, 5. Next, what we have to do? 5, 4. 5 into 4. 5 fours are
20.
20. So, children, what we have finished? We finished to multiply with 5. Now, what we have to do? Multiply with our 1.
Multiply with 1.
So, second row, how we will start always, children? Second row, we will start with 1, 0. Okay. Because we are going to start with the 110. So, here we will write the ones place 0. Okay. Now, again start with 1. 1 into 0. 0. Again, 1 into 0.
0.
1 into 1. 1. 1 into 4. 1 into 4. Now, children, what do you have to do? Just add. Now, children, do you do? All of you do this faster. All the children, please take page number 69. We are doing question number 13A, and that is 4 liter 100 ml multiplied with 15. So children, I told you just we had to write the number liter and ml properly. Liter, below liter we had to write 4, ml below that what we had to do 100. See children, you had to remember there should be 3 digits here in the ml part, because here in the question it is 3 digits, so no problem. Now children, add and find out the answer alone. Okay, Akhil, can you add and tell me? 0 plus 0 is 0. Next one, 0 plus 0. We have again 0. Then 5 plus 0. 1 minute. Children, add and find out the answer, okay? Let me see that board, some problem with that. You can do alone. You got the answer, okay.
Ma'am, I get it.
Okay, tell me the answer, children. 0 plus 0 here, 0. 0. Please check whether you got this answer. 5, 1, 4 plus 2 is 6. So, did you get the answer? 6, 1, 5, 0, 0.
Can't see the board. You didn't share.
I will share. Wait. There was a problem with the board, okay. So, the answer is 61500. Okay, children. 4 liter 100 ml multiplied with 15. So, as usual, how we will do normal multiplication? Like the same way, we will start with the first 5. Then we will multiply. In the second row, we will start with 1 0. Then start with multiply with tens place. That is here 1. So, the answer is 61500. Is that correct, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, so all of you, question number 13B alone. 13B alone. I will help you to write the numbers. Kilometer and kilo 41 kilometer. Look at the question. 41 kilometer. 417 meter. Multiplied with 21. Okay. So children, we can write the number. How we will write kilometer and meter? 1 kilometer is equal to 1 kilometer is equal to how many? Again, it is 1000 meter. 1000
meters.
Okay. So children, you can do here also, but here it's already 3 digits. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So children, no problem here. We have 3 digits. So write kilometer, km, and meter, kilometer and meter. Okay, so below that 41 kilometer, right here 41, and meter, how many? 417. Then multiplied with 21. Multiply with 21. Do that alone, all of you.
I cannot see the board.
Who cannot see the board?
Okay.
Till now it was okay. Yes, I will share it again. How is it now? Children, do alone. All of you, do alone. Okay, Christo, we will do together. Christo, unmute. You can check. Yes, Alsaba.
Yes, ma'am.
So first we will start with the ones place here. 1. Yes. 1 into, we will start with the 1. Okay. Yes. Cannot hear you. Yes, Alsaba. Yes, children. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
Yes, ma'am.
then where? Yes, Elsaba, please try. Others, please mute because some disturbance here. Okay, Elsaba, can you hear me? Yes, I think some audio problem. Christo, check now whether you can say the answer. Who's have no problem with the audio? Yes, yes, Meka. We will do together now. 1 into 7. Any number multiplied with 1. 1 into 7?
7.
7. Very good. Okay. Now 1 into 1. 1. Same number. Any number multiplied with 1, you will get the same number. Okay. 1 into 4?
1 into 4, 4.
4. Again, 1 into 1, we have 1.
1.
1 into 4, 4. Okay, so the first row is over. So children, we multiplied with 1. Okay, second row starts with 1.
0.
Okay, very good. Now we will start with 2.
2.
That is number in the tens place. Okay, 2 into 7. 7 to
14.
14.
14.
7 twos are 14. 4 we will write here 1 carry over. 1 into 2, 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. Okay, 3.
3.
And then what we'll do the next 4 twos are 4
4
twos are
8.
8.
8.
Okay, 4 twos are 8. Then what we had to do 2 into 1.
2 into 1, 2.
2. Okay, 4 twos are again 4 twos are 8. Okay, now children add and find the answer. So first row, when we multiplied with 1, 1 into 7, 1, then multiply with 1, very easy. Then second row start with 1, 0. Then start multiply with the number 2. 7 twos are 14. Don't forget to keep the carry over. 1 into 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 4 twos are 8. 2 ones, 1, 2. 2 1 into 1 is 2. 4 twos are 8. Then add 7 plus 0, 7. Children, please do alone and please check your answer. 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 3, now we have 7. 1 plus 8, 9. 4 plus, children do alone, okay. 4 plus 2, 6. And here 8. So the answer is 8, 6, 9, 7, 5, 7. Children, check whether you got the answer. Yes, children, check whether you got the answers. Yes, finished. So we were doing question number 13B.
Ma'am, my is correct.
Correct. Okay. Very good. Okay, let me see how many got correct answer. How many got correct answer? Okay. Guruji Dalsaba. Okay. So those children here, is there any problem with the multiplication? No. Just write the numbers one below the other according to your kilometer, meter. You have to see if it is 3 digit, if we have the conversion, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. In the meter side, we should have 3 digits. Okay. So here the answer is 869757. Normal multiplication. Okay. Now question number 14. Gurujit, can you read question number 14?
Yes,
14?
ma'am. Yes.
Yes.
49 kg.
49 kg.
450 gram into
450
27.
into 27. So children, here 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So here also we have 3 digits. No problem. Children, what we have to do? Write kg and gram. Then write below how many kg. Then write how many gram. Then start normal multiplication. Here we have how many? 49 kg. 49 kg. Write the number. Look at the number here. 49. So write 49 below kg. And here how many gram? 450 gram. So what do you have to do? 450 right below gram. Then which is the number we have to multiply with? 27. Yes, children. Now do multiply with 49 kilogram, 450 grams. So how we will write the number? Kilogram and gram, write one below the other. Kilogram is below kilogram, write how many kilogram. Below gram, how many gram in the question. Then multiplied with 27. Try to do alone. Okay, Ahian will do.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we will start multiply with which number? Multiply with
7.
7. Very good. Here 7 in the, okay, 7 into 0. Any number multiply with 0. Yes? I cannot hear you.
7.
Any number multiply with 0. 7 into 0. Yes, children? 7 into 0. 0. 7 into 5. 7, 5. Who can tell me fast? Can say 7 into 5. Children, you have to be thorough with the multiplication table. 35. 7 into 5 is 35. 3 is carryover. 7 into 4. 28 plus 3. 31. Okay, 3 carryover. Again 7 into 4. 28. Yes, children, 7 into 0, 0. 7, 5, 35. Carry over 3. 7 into 4. 28 plus 3, 31. 31. 3 carry over. Okay. 9 into 7, 63 plus 3, 66. You have to line up properly. 66. Then we have 6. 7 into 4, 28 plus 6. 28 plus 6, 34. So the question is 49. 49, 450 multiplied with the 27. Here it is kilogram, gram. 7 into 0, 0. 7 into 5, 35. 3 carry over. 7 4s are 28 plus 3, 31. 3 is carry over. 9 into 7, 63 plus 3, 66. 7 into 4, 28 plus 6, 34. Yes? Then start the second row with 0. Then what do you have to do? Multiply with the 2. Tell me the answer. 2 into 0? 0. 5 2s are 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. 1 carry over. 4 2s are 8 plus 1. 9. Okay. 9 2s are
18.
18. 8. 9 2s are 18. 1 carry over. 4 2s are 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1, 9. Please add and find out the answer. Okay, children, find out the answer. 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1. 9 plus 6. After finding the answer alone, you can check from the board. Don't copy the answers alone. 9 plus 6, 15. 1 carry over. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. 1 carry over. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 13. So the answer is 1, 3, 3, 5, 1, 5, 0. So children, this last 3 digit represents that gram, 150. Then first 4, 1, 3, 3, 5. That represents how many kilogram? So that is 1335.
Oh my God, the correct answer.
Okay, correct answer. Okay, children. Very good. So children, let's do question number 14th B. 14B,
Yes, ma'am.
children? Yes. So 14B, we had to look at the question clearly. Here we have to see what is the question. Question number 14B. 5 liter 12 ml 12 ml multiplied with 36. So children, you had to tell me 1 liter is equal to dash ml. We learned. 1 liter is equal to 1000. So children, we should have 3 digits. Now look here, we have only, we will write down, then we will see how many digits are there. For liter, how many liter? Look at the question. How many liter? We have how many liter here? 5 liter. Okay. Then what about here? 12. How many digits for 12? How many digits for 12? We have only 2 digits. So what? So I have to make one 0 and make it 3 digits. So how will I write the number, children? Where will I write 0? Here I have only 2 digits, but I should make 3 digits. So where should I place the 0?
Friend.
Friend, very good. See children, if I write 12 to the right side, that is back side, this 12 will become 120, but that is wrong because I have only 12. Now you can start your multiplication as usual. Multiply 36. Do alone. Start with the 6 and 2. 6 multiplied with 2. Yes, Amal Fayaz. 6 2s are. Can you tell me? 6 into 2. 6 2s are. 12. So we will write here 12, 2 here, 1 carryover. Okay. 6 2s are 12 and 1 is carryover. 6 into 1, 6 plus 1. 6 into 1 is 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. 6 into 0. Yes, children. 6 times 0. Any number multiplied with 0 is 0. Now the last one. 5 into 6. 5 into 6. 30. So we will yes, 30. Okay, so the first row, children, that is 30072. Okay, now the second row starts with 1 0. Okay, now we will have to multiply with the 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 into 1 3. 6 to here 3 2s are 6. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 0 again it's 0. 3 into 5. What is 5 3s are?
15.
15. 5 3s are 15. So the second row, children, 150360. Then what we have to do? Add. Find out the answer. Okay, children. So what's the answer? 2 plus 0? 2. 6 plus 7. Tell me 6 plus 7. 13. 3 here. 1 carryover. 1 plus 3. Now, 1 plus 3, 4. Children, today I don't know, some lag is there. I think network issue. That's why I'm not able to hear some of your sound properly at proper time. Okay, 0 plus 0 here. 0. 5 plus 3? 8, then 1. So 180432. So children, in ml part we have 432 and in liter side we have 180. So the answer is 180432. Okay.
Ma'am, I got correct answer.
Children, so here we learned today multiplication. So is there any difference what we learned number multiply with the 2-digit numbers? So that is same. What we had to do, write the number. If it is a liter, ml, if it is kilometer, meter, you have to write the heading like that, kilometer, meter. Then see, there are 3 digits. If it is start, we have, when we have the conversion, 1 liter is equal to 1000. So we should have 3 digits. Okay, children, so it's clear how to do the multiplication here. Normal multiplication. Right here the heading, look at the question L. Why we added 1 0 here in this question? Because we have only 2 digits, but 1 liter we know that is 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So we should have 3 digits in milli ml that side. Okay, so here we had to add 1 0, then normal multiplication. Okay, children. So one question, I think 5 more minutes are there. One question can we do from question number 15a? Divide.
No.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Only one question can we?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Yes, Christo. What did you say?
Yes, ma'am. We can do.
We will just start. Okay, how to write the numbers we will start and we will do in the next class. Okay. So here, children, question number 15a. We are going to start a revision from, we will do only till 16 from this chapter. Okay. 16 questions only we will do, then we will start our revision. So 15a, children, divide. What we have to do? Divide 5 kilogram 876 gram by 26. So children, we have the dividend here, 5 kilogram 876 gram, and the divisor is 26. So how to write the numbers? What we have to do? Just write 5 kilogram, and here how many gram? 876. So this is the dividend. 5 in kilogram, then how many gram? 876. And that is the dividend. Divide with, what is the divisor here? 26. Okay, so we will do this question in the next class, but I want you to do the table 26 into 1, 26 into 2. This is homework. 26 into 3, 26 times 4, then we have 26 times 5.
How much we have to write?
Till 7, 26 into 7. Okay. So children, just write the number inside, which is the dividend and which is the divisor. So here the dividend is 5876 divided by the divisor is 26. And I want you to write the multiplication table for the divisor. Here 26 into 1. That is very easy. 26 into 1 is any number multiplied with 1. This you have to multiply and find out. Okay, multiply. Children, please be thorough with the multiplication tables. Which is the divisor here? 26. And you have to write the table for 26. How you will get the table? You will multiply with 2, multiplied with 3, multiply with 4, multiply with 5, like that. Okay. Okay, children. Then we will do division as normal division. We will do one more time. We will revise one more time. Then only we will do alone. Okay. We will do this division in the next class. Then we will start our revision. And from measurements, children, we have only 16 questions for the exam. Okay. Okay, children. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Be ready with your multiplication tables. Okay. Then what we have to do? Just that, which is the homework? Can you tell me which is the homework?
Of 26.
Question number
Table of 26. Multiply 26 into 2, 26 into 3, 26 into 4. Then it will be easy for us to do the division in our next class. Okay, children, is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, bye.
Yes.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.